RizA II House is a continuous dialogue with the intense cycladic light and shadow, constantly transforming its building's form. The two houses, accompanied by an in-cave guesthouse, are situated on a sloping plot in the area with the toponym Krotiri, near Delio, the sanctuary of Apollo at the top of the hill. The orientation is southwest along the long side, overlooking the sea and the Bay of Parikia. The house is rooted in the arid topography of the Cyclades, with its white walls emerging and unfolding like a ribbon in the landscape, forming the volumes of the house and the internal and external living spaces. Surfaces with slight angles allow for the exploration of views and the creation of privacy between the two houses. In this way, a jagged structure is created, adapting to the distinctive morphology of the plot. The stone masonry serves as a backdrop for the main building's white ribbon design, creating large retaining walls and connecting the steep terrain with access points and the walls of the underground section, which integrates seamlessly with the expansive external courtyard overlooking the view. A distinctive feature of the building is the long, narrow openings that are rhythmically repeated on the checkered facade, enhancing the architectural expression. External courtyards are designed across multiple levels, oriented toward the view. These courtyard spaces are utilized to create a unique residential complex that simultaneously preserves the privacy of individual units. Both the guest house and the main building feature openings that unify the interiors with the exteriors, allowing the residents to expand during the summer months by making use of the courtyards protected from the northern winds. Upon entering through the central staircase at the highest point of the plot and the road, we are guided between the white wall and the stone retaining wall, reminiscent of dry stone techniques. From there, we can either enter the house or continue toward the planted roof and seating areas, enjoying the view of the bay. RizA II House, while inspired by the materials and layout of local architecture, seeks to reinterpret them through a modern lens. The contrast between the white surfaces and the stone that encases the residence highlights its form with a sense of plasticity.